Are you unintentionally holding yourself back from financial success? These 5 money mistakes might be draining your wallet and your future wealth. But don't worry, today, we'll show you how to fix them and take control of your financial journey. Let's dive in. The first mistake: living paycheck to paycheck. It might feel unavoidable, but it's a cycle that keeps you one emergency away from financial disaster. The fix: start tracking your expenses and build a simple budget. Tools like budgeting apps or even a pen and paper can help you understand where your money is going. Once you know, you can start saving, even if it's just a small amount each month. Next up is delaying investments. The earlier you start, the more powerful your money becomes, thanks to compound interest. Here's an example: investing just $100 a month in an index fund starting at age 25 could grow to over $500,000 by retirement. If you wait until you're 35, you'll have far less. Don't wait, start small and let time work its magic. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is a silent financial killer. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you can't save or invest. To fix this, focus on paying off high-interest debts first. Use the avalanche method to prioritize the highest interest debt, or the snowball method for quick wins. Whatever approach you choose, the key is to stop carrying balances that eat away at your wealth. Here's a big one: lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, but this keeps you stuck in the same financial situation. Instead of spending every raise or bonus, save or invest a portion of it. Remember, real wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. And finally, not having an emergency fund is a common and costly mistake. Life happens: car repairs, medical bills, and unexpected expenses. Without a safety net, these can lead to debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small, but start today. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can set you on the path to financial freedom. It's all about small, consistent steps that add up over time. Which mistake have you struggled with, or which one are you fixing right now? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Infinite Wallet for more tips on mastering your money and building your future. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.